Welcome back to Master Designs. Tonight we're going to draw Overkill, also known as Chamalien, from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. Chamalien is one of the newest additions to the Ultimatrix. Plus, he's got the ability to have camouflage, as seen in episode of Season 2, Well, actually... Okay, let me break it down for you. The name of the episode is called Prisoner 775 is Missing. And for starters, he also has a stinger at the back of his tail. The Ultimatrix scans Prisoner 7155 to obtain its DNA species, allowing him to transform into Chamalien, also known as Overkill, which was changed. They changed the name from Overkill to Chamalien to make it more interesting. Let's get started. Here's the Ultimatrix mark on his chest. Not taking any shortcuts this time. Now we draw the other hand here. Here are the stripes. And that's how you draw Overkill, also known as Chamalien. His body's mostly light and dark purple, but mostly light purple. Oh yeah, and the eyes here are red, green, and blue. To find out more how to draw aliens like this, please like your rock and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below on what character and what alien you want me to draw next in the next episode. Stegosaurus, see you later.